It's January 1st, and we're going on an adventure.
When we wake, in a quarter mile, turn left. Hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side, our fears are done. All the good times just begun. We know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. You and I, we got it. We don't need no more. Even in the hard times.
So we have new shoes and a new adventure.
Before I sleep,
Had to consult with the map, find out where we're going. Hey, I wanted to show you a panorama of what we got going on around here. Check this out.
Oh, we know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. You and I, we got it. We don't need no more.
There's a bunch of people out here.
Yeah, there is. But it's a really nice trail. And we talked to that gentleman about the preserve, and you could be a steward of all the different trails and stuff around here. You just have to call the office. I thought that'd be cool.
Yeah, might be. Oh, look, Ma. It's a baby jumping cactus.
Oh, how pretty.
Yeah, it hasn't quite reached its maturity to jump off on somebody yet.
It's so pretty.
Look, that one over there is growing a leg so it can hop off and attack. The interesting thing is that whenever they hop off, they can grow wherever they land.
We were young and we were free and running. Never bothered about what could be coming.
Stop recording.
Every day we danced and life was smiling.
Do you understand why these are called fishhook cactus now?
I think it's cool because it has like hair here wrapped around,
Yeah,
like tangled fishing line.
yeah. And there's the fish hooks.
We're like water without you, I'm sinking. I'm always shining next to you. Oh, I got you, there's no reason to.
Here we are, having a good old time.
Yeah, we are. I'm enjoying just walking in the desert and taking pictures and just being outside.
Yep.
I have always been afraid of changes, but you show me life is full of faces. Sometimes clouds got in my face.
This trail's a little bit more rocky.
So I was reading one of the signs, and we're talking about 11,000 years ago. This was a much colder climate, and there was like grass and trees and stuff, and they found woolly mammoth bones and giant ground sloth bones and juniper leaves in this area. So I just thought that was a fun fact.
Giant sloth.
I'm just fine 'cause I got you.
And just like that, there was nobody. I don't know where all the people went. We got here and it was jam-packed, and now it's like we're the only two people on the planet. I don't know. A canyon, but for feet. Just like super rocky. But our new shoes are awesome and they feel good.
And this day has never kept us bothering. Every day we dance and life's been smiling. We're not young, still drunk in love. Oh, I got you, there's no reason to chasing pavement on my own. 'Cause you're here to stay every night and day.
Well, that was a lot of fun. We did the part of the Gateway Loop Trail.
Yeah,
We did the nature trail. And it was a nice walk. I think it was pretty good for the first hike of the year.
About 1.3 miles. I burned about 1,160 calories.
Well, we haven't really hiked much lately. We've been more doing trail riding in the Jeep. So,
Last thing we did was what, Devil's Bridge?
yeah.
And that was only like, we didn't even go all the way up to Devil's Bridge. I'm gonna go all the way up there next time.
Yeah, we're going to have to go back. But now we're going to head home and relax and eat our black-eyed peas and cornbread. So,
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year, everyone. It'll be great to see you in 2021. And we're just praying that it's better than last year.
No kidding. Hey, if you got something good out of this video, go ahead and give us that thumbs up down below. And tell the world you like this video. And if this is your first time here, we'd like to welcome you to Overland Wanderlust. And we'd also like to ask that you subscribe. We try to put out a new video about once a week, usually on a Friday. That just depends on what the cycles are. And we'd love to have you along. We are also on Rumble, and we're on Instagram and Facebook, so go check us out there. All of the branding is identical, so you'll be able to find us easily. And if that doesn't work, you can always find us on 4low2go. The number 4, the word low, the number 2, the word go.com. We'd love to see you out there.
Take care now. Bye.
But here he comes to take me to